So one of the first things we're going to do this morning is to remove this screen window, which half the window is missing, so it's really not doing any good. And there's a hole in the screen, and even if there wasn't, there's still a gap in between, so it's still not going to help. So I started pulling it off, and then you can see the window needs some TLC. Most of the glazing, or a bunch of the glazing, is gone. So we need to clean it all up, re-glaze it, which I use caulking, so it's not going to be glazed, but basically the same concept. And then Amy had picked up a static cling, so she'll clean the windows and then put that on.